Let's look at the installation. You navigate to the download site at microfocus.com/products and select Service Desk. Click on the trial download. Fill in the details for getting your copy of the Service Desk software. The appliance version comes with the SLES12 Studio and is usually installed as a separate VM. The installation is fairly simple. Use the VM, vSphere client or your Oracle client for beginning the installation of the SUSE appliance. Accept the license agreements, one for SUSE and one for the Service Desk software. There will be two license agreements that you need to accept. Select the language of choice and the keyboard configurations. Provide the host name and the domain name. If you're in a company named Acme and the domain is acme.com, the Service Desk machine called MFSD will be addressed as mfsd.acme.com. Run the network setup to detect your network configurations such as devices, drivers, firewall, DNS, etc. Provide your choice of configuration such as a static IP or a DHCP based one, the DNS server IP addresses, the default gateway and subnet masks, etc., depending upon your network setup. After the network setup, select your time zone and optionally choose to synchronize with the time server. You will now need to provide the root password for the appliance. The sharing of the password is generally limited to the administrators on that machine. Now that your setup is complete, you can enter the fully qualified domain name on the browser and see that the Service Desk web portal appears on the browser. On login, you will see that the default user has been created, which is that of the system supervisor. This user has the roles of administrator, supervisor, and customer or end user. To import other users along with their other roles, you can choose to import from an Active Directory or an eDirectory. You can also create them manually in the Service Desk. Please note that when you import users from Active Directory, etc., the system supervisor and admin get their reach reduced to that of only the customer role. This is to prevent others from hacking into the system in case the password were not to be changed.